Hello, ako po si Anthony Season. I have physical disability, pero that doesn't make me less of a man. Yes, I may have limitation physically, but never stop me for chasing my dreams para sa sarili ko at para sa pamilya ko. May mga skills pa rin akong kayang i-offer. I realize na hindi ko kailangan lumabas ng bahay para magtrabaho. Working online became my solution. Dito, found time freedom. I found purpose. I found a way to contribute kahit nasa sa bahay ka lang. My disability doesn't define me. In fact, ginamit ko pa yan as my strength para ituloy ang laban. So kung ikaw, feeling mo limited ka, physically, mentally, emotionally, remember this. What limits you today can lead you to greatness tomorrow. We can still earn, we can still provide. Hindi tayo pabigat, hindi tayo worthless. May halaga tayo. As a father and a husband, I do what I need to do. Kahit anong sitwasyon pa yan. At dito ko nakita na hindi ko kailangang magbenta at lalong hindi ko kailangang ibaba ang sarili ko. Now, I'm on my way creating lasting wealth for our children and for our retirement. No take background with disability, but with a big dream and the drive to make it happen. So click the Learn More button. Sign up na sa website ko, dreambigwithanthony.com. Just enter your name and email. Add me on Facebook, Anthony Season. Let's talk about how can you start to. Kaya natin to. Let's grow, let's win, and let's dream big together.